Hi, I am Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 6D. I study in Visar Shastinagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am going to do the certification for Prezi and here I go. So I am going to tell you about pollution. As the template, I have made pollution making the icebergs melt. So here I go, and by clicking on present or pressing the F5 button, I can start the presentation. So let us start with what is pollution. We should know that what is pollution before starting the topic. Pollution is the presence or introduction into the environment of a substance which has harmful or poisonous effects. Some types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. We'll talk about these four pollutions as we'll talk about these four pollutions. So here I go and start with water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, or groundwater caused by human activities, which can be harmful to the organisms and plants which live in these water bodies. Fact number one, around 70% of the industrial waste is dumped into the water bodies, where they pollute the usable water supply. Groundwater in Bangladesh is contaminated with arsenic. Arsenic is very toxic, acute poison, and a carcinogen. Approximately 85% of the total area of Bangladesh has contaminated groundwater. Now let us talk about air pollution. You can see how the air pollution is coming out. Air pollution is the presence in or introduction into the air of a substance which has harmful or poisonous effects. Fact number one, air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of substances, including gases, particulates, and biological molecules, are introduced into the Earth's atmosphere. It may cause diseases, allergies, and also death of humans. Fact number two. An air pollutant is a material in the air that can have adverse effects on the humans and the ecosystem. The substance can be solid, particles, liquid droplets, or gases. A pollutant can be of natural origin or man-made. Pollutants are classified by primary or secondary. Let us go on. Land pollution. Land pollution or soil pollution as part of land degradation is caused by the presence of xenobiotic chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. Fact number one. Until the mid 20th century, solid waste were generally collected and placed on the top of the ground in controlled open dumps, which often became breeding grounds for rats, mosquitoes, flies, and other disease carries and were sources of unpleasant odors, windblown debris, and other nuisances. A modern technique for land disposal of solid waste involves construction and daily operation and control of so-called submersible landfills. You can see how the landfills dump down the land. At the end, we should reach on noise pollution. Noise pollution, harmful or annoying levels of noise. Sound pollution, also known as environmental noise or noise pollution, is the propagation of noise with harmful impact on the activity or animal life. So I have done this presentation, so I'll tell you how I did it. So firstly, I went to I added I got on Prezi.com on Google Chrome, and I log in. I done the login and clicked on new presentation. By new presentation, background and theme. So I seen from this theme colors, or I could choose at the back of the login. In these in by these, firstly as you know, the templates are made themselves and we have to do ourselves the changes. So first I replaced some of the circles, like this was here, I did it here, this was in the same place, these three were in the same place. I only changed these. So here I have done the font as com, com, comica title, and I typed pollution making the icebergs melt, as I have a template on icebergs. So, and I added the caps lock to do this. Here, there was no text. You would think how I did it. I clicked on insert and text. If I clicked on text, it comes like here. It comes at here. So firstly, and so now I'm going to tell you how I added the circles. The circles were made themselves only. So I I just changed the texts and searched all these answers from Google. I I had only 3 circles. I copied paste one, and this circle I changed the color by doing like this. If I copy paste this color, because this circle, as I click on fill color at here, and suppose I choose the green color, so it can change into the green color, or opacity 0 to 100, or it means also transparency. We can also use the custom color by clicking on it. So this this was the font itself, as Vox Sans. I typed here and added the text box myself, as I shown you now. I added these photos. Sorry for it. Here I added these photos by clicking on insert image. By clicking on insert image, as I have this clicked on open, this photo is taking a bit time. So I shown you like is insert image, and I could put this photo here like this. So that was easy work. As the same here, I added the photos by I added these photos by clicking on insert as downloading them. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.